Now, if rockets aren't explosive enough for you, well, I got a little something else up my sleeve and in my holster. Welcome to Staccato Ranch. And if you know about handguns, then you already know about Staccato. And from this facility, they custom craft some of the most accurate, most sought-after handguns in America. And best of all, they love showing folks around. This is team member Ryan Welch.
So you guys truly build these handguns start to finish right here.
We do everything in-house, fully sourced, all American made, not a single internationally sourced part.
And that's why the sign says built for heroes, and I see with Texas Rangers, Special Forces.
Got a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Some of those guys on staff as well.
No kidding.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Staccato started out making competition handguns, but soon realized their super accurate goods needed to be in the hands of those who keep us safe too. So let's see how they do it.
So this is our manufacturing plant. We start off as a 4140 high carbon steel billet. Again, American sourced, American made.
So I mean, this is about as raw material as you can get.
It's a 5-pound block of steel.
It's gonna be a handgun someday.
With 56 components in every gun, precision is key. Their margin of error is as small as a quarter of a human hair. That's next level craftsmanship.
I mean, it's a little different than making an atlatl spear tip out of flint. It looks like somebody's just getting a really messy bubble bath in there. I'm always amazed at the people who can break down a gun like crazy fast, you know?
Not me, I took mine apart. It took me about 3 weeks to put it all back together. So last stage before we actually ship that gun out of here is we're gonna do a test fire. So every gun is get a minimum of 10 rounds put through it for function check, but 3 of those rounds we're gonna put onto this target test sheet. So that is also gonna ship with every gun we ship.
I mean, you'd be a perfect handgun, I can't hit that.
With Staccato's fan base growing across the globe, they decided to build a full-on shooting destination worthy of their name. Indoor ranges, outdoor ranges, and all for the purpose of building community. This is co-CEO Justin Honea.
Oh my gosh, this place is way bigger than one manufacturing facility.
We're trying to bring the community into shooting sports. Obviously, it's a very intimidating sport to get into.
For sure, yeah.
So we're trying to make it fun, right? It's all about family, fun, freedom. And what you see out here is exactly that.
And what I see immediately in front of me is a dusty western town called the Lone Star Hideout.
Any advice for me on this thing?
Go fast, have fun.
Okay, I can have fun.
But first, I gotta pick my weapon of choice. This is Ben Clark.
So we have the whole lineup here, starting, of course, with our smallest. That was our concealed carry CS. P is our kind of do everything. Most law enforcement are carrying this one. The XC, which is mine, a lot faster, a lot more fun, barely any recoil.
Well, I think this one's calling my name.
Fair enough.
You know, I thought we were just gonna start at like a range, maybe something with a bench and a target on the other end, but we're going cowboy style. What's the record on this course?
The current record is 45.5 seconds.
I've got 3 magazines. Can I hit all the targets with these 3 magazines?
So I'm gonna ask, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, stand by. There you go.
Oh, now we're running.
2 red. Perfect.
Now, each door has a color that matches the targets to shoot, and obviously safety is key. Guns are not toys, and the Staccato crew is working hard to keep us safe and on target. When done right, shooting sports are a ton of fun.
There you go.
Oh gosh, that's hard.
I'm doing pretty all right.
Good.
I know one thing for sure out here. When I miss, I can't blame the gun.
Did I kill the hostage?
Nope.
Okay.
Everything else.
Oh, come on.
Did not
Oh,
finish.
so close.
And perfect drop.
Hey, the gun is awesome.
Absolutely.
That gun is so smooth. It took me a while.
But if you notice your misses where you're trying to force it, just let that gun do that work because it's so smooth.
All right, can we
Ready to
go again?
Yeah, absolutely.
Of course, the crew didn't want to just stand around and watch me have all the fun. It's clear that there is power in precision, along with protection when guns like these are in the hands of our military and the people who keep us safe. Because of them, thankfully all we have to shoot at today is a few metal targets. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.